What is Litecoin? Today we will investigate second successful cryptocurrency and first prospering altcoin. Created by Charlie Lee. I am Steve from KK Technologies. Let's learn more about Litecoin. Litecoin was created by Charlie Lee, a former Google employee, in 2011. It was designed to be a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency and draws on a number of foundational similarities to Bitcoin. Okay. But what is peer-to-peer? Peer-to-peer model is a network designed based on computers that share the same responsibilities and use the same programs to communicate. Machines operating in such a network communicate with each other as equals, with each acting as a server for the others. There are no third party to facilitate and approve our transactions as notaries, banks, governments in peer-to-peer system. Although Lee's intention was to solve some of its perceived issues like transaction times, fees and concentrated mining pools. Originally, it was announced to be a light version of Bitcoin, creating the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Let's look differences between Litecoin and Bitcoin. A proof-of-work mechanism that uses script hashing function instead of SHA-256. A block time that is 4 times quicker with 2.5 minutes intervals instead of 10 minutes. A total supply of units that is 4 times bigger with 84 million coins instead of 21 millions. Difficulty changes every 3.5 days compared to every 2 weeks in Bitcoin. Okay, but why we use Litecoin first? Processing is faster, big blocks and more coins in circulation, makes it easy to adopt. In a tests for comparing the speed of coins transferred from an exchange to the hardware wallets, Litecoin performed best by transferring 23 coins in under 10 seconds. This has led to the businesses paying attention to Litecoin's advancement and adopting it in their ecosystem as well. Litecoin was the first to integrate segregated witness, which will allow the use of Lightning Network, enabling all its participants to exchange currency at virtually no cost. By the way, the Lightning Network is a Layer 2 payment protocol that operates on top of a blockchain-based cryptocurrency. Payments of transactions for gifts, even precious metals, can be easily made through Litecoin. Along with the retail adoption, merchants, exchanges, wallets and other bases are also integrating them in good numbers. Litecoin did not rise only because it is useful and became widely adopted, but also because of the fact that it is a great method of storing value. The limited supply makes the currency very deflationary and is one of the main reasons for the balanced rise in the prices. The price of Litecoin has been consistent and have a low volatility compared to Bitcoin's. That is why the price movements does not shoot up with impulse or drop down so dramatically, and this is a good thing for long-term investors and people who actually intend to use Litecoin as a currency. Litecoin is usually first to implement new technologies before Bitcoin. The steady and less volatile nature of Litecoin makes it outstanding for spending, trading. With so much progress made on the Lightning Network and plans for confidence transaction, Litecoin may develop as one of the most used cryptocurrency comparing to others. Charlie Lee has been very active and being very open about the problems that cryptocurrencies are facing at present. We don't know how many LTC that Lee held and had sold, but now he said he is focused on developing the cryptocurrency itself. He is already working hard on the future of cryptocurrency. The Litecoin development team and community are supporting the cryptocurrency well. They are executing on their goal as more effectively, resulting in an easier to use platform. It was also designed to be easier to mine and cheaper to transact than Bitcoin, in the hope that these features could make it a cryptocurrency used for trading and real-world use in the future. Let's look development futures of LTC. Litecoin, LTC, launched its Mimblewimble testnet. Mimblewimble is a protocol designed to enhance privacy and obfuscate the traceability of distributed ledger transactions. Also, it is a modified implementation of the proof-of-work algorithm underpinning Bitcoin, in which blocks appear as a single large transaction, preventing the individual inputs and outputs relating to the transactions from being identified. Why Mimblewimble is a substantial for Litecoin? Charlie Lee announced that the focus of the project was geared towards making Litecoin more fungible by adding confidential transactions. The latter transactions obfuscate the amounts being transacted over the network, but not where the coins are being sent. Although not 100% private, confidential transactions could attract new LTC users who prefer to keep the value of their transactions away from prying eyes. This will most likely drive up the demand and use of LTC to the point where it will have a positive effect on Litecoin in the crypto markets. To conclude, instead of being only a store of value, Litecoin would be like more of a spendable coin in the future. For instance, at present there are various applications which allow to pay for things like bread with Litecoin. It does not have problems like some of the leading coins, and given its relative strength and atomic updates, Litecoin will become more popular in the near future, with the increase in price faster compared to Bitcoin. However, if an individual wants to have a diversified portfolio, investment can be done in many other coins as well, but with Litecoin taking the highest weight. What are your thoughts about Litecoin? Would you invest in it? Let me know in the comments section below.